Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel.
So today I'm going to be doing Monica's makeup after the amazing job she did on me the last time. And let's see how it goes because the way I do my makeup is very different from how she does it.
So she goes for the bold,
yeah, it's more colorful.
colorful, yeah.
But it's also lighter. Like I don't know how to explain
it's
it.
cute. Like,
Yeah, it's
cute.
yeah.
So I'm very excited for the makeup because I've never done any like colorful colors, if I'm being honest. So
Yeah?
this is the first time I'm going to try colors apart from the neutral shades.
So
I'm excited.
it's not going to be too out of your comfort zone.
But I'm all about that today.
Yeah.
So you can do whatever you want.
So I have planned on bold eyes and a very neutral base. So let's see. We've already prepped her skin a little bit, and I've also put some tapes on the side of her eye to help me with this. So let's see how it goes.
Feels super weird to get my like makeup done
Yeah.
because I've never really had someone do my makeup.
Makeup before.
Even for shoots, I just prefer doing my own.
Your own.
Yeah.
I think it's the quickest when you do it yourself.
Yeah, and you know your face the best.
So we've done a black base, and on top of this we're gonna start adding colors. I'm gonna blend it in with like a lilac shimmer. So exciting.
Yes. I think getting your makeup done is one of the best
Most
pampers.
therapeutic things
Yeah.
also. When I was really young, like in before school even, like this maybe when I was 2 or something, I had a nanny and I used to keep faking being a makeup artist with her. So with my mom's makeup, or I don't know with toys, I don't know with what, I used to keep doing her makeup, and she used to she was really sweet. She was super old, and she used to just sit for hours. So we put like a little lilac moment on top. Yeah, and she used to just sit for hours with me. I had to keep applying makeup. And my mom used to be like, I'm sorry for this inconvenience.
Yeah.
But she used to be like, this is so fun.
Yeah, this sounds fun. Like anybody would love to just get things done.
Because I should just keep pretending, so not even real makeup, right?
No irritation, no nothing.
Yeah, just like me pretending with like empty brushes.
Face massage. She was getting
Basically.
face massage.
And now on the center of the eye, I'm going to be putting green. So I'll do it with my hands. Just close your eyes. We've done like a green moment. I'll just blend that in. The colors. Weirdly, my mom never lets me do her makeup. She's like, no, it's okay, it's okay. She don't even like me doing her nails. She's like, it's cool, I can do my nails.
My mom does not like wear makeup, but all of us, if you want to practice, we like pull her like let us do your makeup.
Yeah.
And she sits and she just goes through it, and then she looks at her face and like, what is this?
You will never catch my mom without lipstick and eyeliner. Like never.
The classic.
Yeah, the classic. I don't know what we can call this look.
I'm getting like peacock vibes.
Open your eyes. I'm gonna dust off, clean off the excess fallout. I just realized I did not put concealer on your eye before like doing
Oh
it.
yeah?
But it's fine, it's like completely like showing all the colors.
Yeah.
I think this ring light but like isn't like showing all the colors. I have a very like different way of doing eyebrows. I literally just fill it in with some black eyeshadow. I think it's a very Egyptian
The
vibe.
look we are going for.
Yeah, we'll do the foundation first.
Cream, I think we should put.
Oh, okay. So we are gonna prime.
Rutika has great skin, so she's forgetting like the concealer and the.
No, the concealer goes after, right?
No, the eye ka thing.
Oh yeah. I normally like forget.
Her skin is like very touchwood, like very.
Oh, but the thing is, this look was very like black, right? So normally you conceal for I think brighter
Brighter colors, yeah. And the green is also looking really good. She says it's like brighter in real, but looks super nice here too.
Yeah. So if you all remember, Monica applies a lot of cream, but we're doing it my way today, so it's going to be
The right amount.
1/4 the amount.
It is super relaxing. She's working quick.
I have to admit that this is really easy to use.
Yeah.
It's much easier than
Brushes.
the brushes and the silicone one I
Yeah.
use.
So will you be shifting to this or what?
Maybe. Like this whole activity is giving me a lot of confidence in makeup.
It's like someone's holding a knife to my eyes. I feel like a goddess, like an Egyptian goddess.
Right?
Yeah.
So I'm not doing the traditional contouring. I just use like a normal brush, like powder contour palette. You have such defined cheekbones.
Thanks.
So it's so easy, just like okay, here it is. For me, it's like one.
No, I felt super easy doing ears too because ears is pulled up. So it was just guiding. She looking snap.
Got a very nice nose. Like I know
Yeah.
you might like say otherwise, but it's really like it's.
No, I like to. I just know that people don't like these kind of.
No, but it's good. It's so
Yeah.
sharp and it's so nice. It's
Thanks.
always like grass is greener on the other side.
Yeah.
So like I
Yeah.
appreciate it, you know.
I'm glad. Same thing's happening when I did her makeup. I knew her skin is good. I knew her eyes were like bright because of the fish, I think.
Yeah, I think it's all the fish.
But it really looked. I was like, wow. And I think she's feeling the same.
I'm feeling the
about
same,
few things,
exactly.
Yeah.
I think doing makeup is such a bonding experience as well.
You're so up close to
Yeah.
someone's face. Can't help but be super close to their soul too.
Yeah. Sure.
Wow, love it.
Then what else do we do? I did not set your face.
Last few times we have done makeup, it's like powder everywhere.
Yeah, I know it's happening now as well.
Can't help it.
But this is worth the chaos. You have the perfect face for an Egyptian look.
We did a lot of Egyptian looks for the
Fashion
fashion
week.
show, yeah.
While that sets,
While that sets,
because assisting me with the eyelash glue. But I think I've come a long way.
because this is still the first few times you're
yeah.
working with lashes.
Okay, so it's the
Applying time.
applying.
So we've planned a lot of videos and we are like shooting and uploading. So please bring the suggestions in too because
Yeah,
we
it
want to
would
do
really
what
help.
you like really like for us to do.
Yeah. Damn. I actually applied lashes. Like,
Yeah. You want to hear something funny?
yeah.
The first few times again that I applied lashes, I would really not like care about the lashes below, the fake lashes, my real lashes.
Okay.
So my lashes are like downwards, like that.
Oh.
How my dad's. So it comes from my dad.
Okay.
So my lashes would go down, and these lashes would go like this.
Oh, so it used to look like.
So I had like two lashes from the side. You could really see that. I need to put mascara.
Yeah, mascara really binds in the whole. For some very weird reason, me and Monica are just not scared of each other's eyes. Even I'm doing it
I went super into.
Yeah.
Like usually people are scared.
We're like, yeah, just. It's also because I think of our eyesight, it's just like a school.
We know
It's
what
been
the
through a
deal
lot.
I love the look. I'm so happy with this.
So I think we've dusted this off, and yeah, so now I think only your lips are left.
And the highlighter.
Yes.
Yeah.
Another round of blush because we.
I really like blushy cheeks.
Yeah. So because we're going for the look that you're a queen, we can't put too much blush because our blush is like extremely
A princess.
princess and flirty. Now we'll put the highlighter.
To
And-
blind all the haters.
Yeah, not the subscribers and the supporters. This is like really mild and cream based.
I think soon enough people are going to comment, Monica, stop playing with your hair. Stop I'm like constantly fixing myself up.
Just move the lips like your proper Cupid's bow.
Thanks to my dad. My dad has sharp
Yeah,
Cupid's bow. It's the sharpest Cupid's bow I've seen.
smells like dessert. Looking good. I know you don't want like very
lighter.
light lips, but it's actually like looking good. What
No,
do you
it's looking
think?
good. I'm a canvas. You can do whatever you want today.
Yeah.
I'm down. I was down. I'm down.
Yeah, I think I love it. She's a queen or
She's a
whatever.
queen.
So this was extremely fun, and I hope you had a great time.
I
as
did.
well.
We loved the look. Please tell us how did you like the look and what next makeup looks you'd like to see from us.
And if you have any name for this look, what would you name this?
So guys, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and also the share button if you enjoyed this look and this video.
See y'all on the next one. Bye.
Bye.